Hello everyone, it's Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show anyone who doesn't know how to do basket stitch or basket weave. I'm not sure the exact term for it. There's quite a number of ways of doing this, different ways of doing this, but this is the way I do it and this is the way I prefer it. So I think it makes a nice pattern. So I will show you how to do this. And I'll blow up my picture a bit. Take out some wool before I start because I always have to seem to be unravelling this when I'm in the middle of knitting. So this is it's just a knit 2, purl 2 for 4 rows, and then alternate over those knit 2, purl 2, you do purl 2, knit 2 over another 4 rows. So there's actually 8 rows to the pattern, and you need an even number. I've got 22 on here for the so I get 2 knit stitches at the end and 2 knit stitches at the start. And I've just finished 4 rows of one of the 4 rows of pattern. I'm going to do another 4 rows. So the next row has got there's knit 2, so I'm going to do 2 purl 2 over those. Knit 2, next 2 stitches are knit 2, so or purl 2, so I'm going to do knit 2 over those. Next 2 knit 2, so I'm doing 2 purl over those. Two purl 2, so I'm doing 2 knit 2. It's knit rows, I'm going to do purl, and so on to the end of the row. And the last 2 stitches, purl 2. It's another very easy pattern, very simple. And another row. And this row, the first 2, we're doing the same for 4 rows, so we start with 2 knit. And then 2 purl, 2 knit, 2 purl, 2 knit, 2 purl, and carry on across the row. Two knit, and the last 2 knit. That's 2 rows of the pattern. And I'll pause until I get to the next lot of 4 rows. So that's those 4 rows. And I'm going on to the next lot of 4. And as you can see, that row, those rows started with knit at the end and the start. this lot of 4 is pearl. I'm going to do knit. And over the knit I'm going to do pearl. And again over the pearl it's knit. And over the knit it's pearl. And that's how you keep on across the row. It's another simple pattern for any beginner, because they're just knit stitches and purl stitches. There's nothing fancy in it. So knit over the purl and purl over the knit, and you do that for 4 rows. So that's another little pattern for you learners, and if you like this video and would like to see more, hit a thumbs up and subscribe.